Hi, good afternoon. This is Sonia Firela from anyhousecleaning.com, and we are in St. Pete. Today we went to Tampa, and we help a family to remove some bags that have clothes for donations. So we look on Google where we can drop off some clothes in a box. I noticed that next to some BJ's or other stores near churches, there is special boxes that belongs to the Red Cross, and you can donate some clothes. So Google sent me some options, some thrift shops, but I didn't want to go to thrift shops, so I went online to the clothing charity drop box or something like that. After this video, I'm gonna put how I'm looking in Google, how I put the place. You have to put the zip code, and they're gonna give you all the list of the location from this clothing box where you can donate your clothes. Since we are a cleaning company and we were helping another family in Tampa to pick it up some areas in the garage because they were moving out, we collect all the clothes that they want to donate because they want to throw it out. But there is so many people in need that instead of go to the landfill and throw it out clothes, we prefer to search online and go to a specific place and donate the clothes for the people in need. So I hope that this video will help you as a homeowner, especially if you want to clear your closet. This is a spring, we are going to summer, and you can change all your clothes and donate. Now I'm using a screen record from my cell phone so I can show you how I find this. I put in Google clothes drop off box near me, and they appear a website that is clothing pickup Florida. So I click over there, and you can call them and they can pick it up the clothes that you want to donate, or you can go on the bottom of the page and choose a box near you, and I click find a box, and then they appear a bar search where I put my zip code, my location, and they give me all the list from all the boxes where I can drop off some clothes for donation. I choose one of them, the one that I was near, and they give me the address, the location. So I just put click to get directions, and Google Maps give me the way to go there. Easy to find.